Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing very good. In this video, I will be showing you how to achieve this makeup look right here that's on my face. I was playing around with makeup after 3 months of my wedding and I thought might as well just shoot it because it's been really long. So I've used everything that I had in my bridal makeup kit. That reminds me, if you want to watch a video on my bridal makeup kit, then let me know in the comments below because I can start working on it. I think it will be really fun to do that one. Also, I used only PAC Cosmetic makeup brushes in this video, the ones that I unboxed a couple of videos back. So if you haven't watched it, go watch it here. And let's just start with the makeup now. But before that, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to first start by priming and prepping my skin, and I'm going to use this toner from Juicy Chemistry, which is the aloe vera water. It really helps calming and soothing the skin. Next, I'm going to use the Indulge Essentials Rose Gold Oil, which is absolutely amazing under makeup. It deeply moisturizes the skin, and the gold flakes in it helps you achieve that glowy, dewy look, and I absolutely love it. I used this and the other product from Indulge Essentials throughout my wedding functions. This is the aloe gel from the same brand. Again, it comes with gold flakes. Now, I guess I read somewhere on the website or on the product itself that if you're using this under makeup, the oil should go first and then the gel. And I feel that really works. Next, I'm going to use this primer water from Smashbox, basically to help my base products stick really well to my face and skin and do not really come off very easily. Next, I'm using the Makeup Forever liquid foundation. This is the foundation that I've used all throughout my wedding functions again. And with the help of the foundation brush from PAC Cosmetics, I'm going to gently spread it across my face. Do not forget your neck, guys. I am wearing high neck hair, so I just skip my neck, but do not forget your neck and your ears as well. And then I'm going to take this damp sponge from Wise She, which is an Indian brand. I've recently started using their brushes. I've already used the eyelashes. I've used a couple of brushes in the past and I've got more, and I'm really enjoying the brand. And you can also avail 10% off with my code divya10 if you are looking forward to investing in good makeup brushes which are also local. Then I think you should definitely invest in Wise She. Next, I'm going to try this concealer from Huda Beauty, and I'm going to use very little because it's a very full coverage concealer and you do not need a lot of product. So I'm just going to slightly put some under my eye, on my eyelids, slightly on my nose, forehead and chin, just to get a little bit of highlighting effect. And then I'm just going to blend it all together with the butt of my beauty blender from Wise She, and I'm going to use the inner tip of the same sponge to basically blend in the concealer around my eyes. Now, going in with this compact powder, which is basically dry foundation from Makeup Forever, it is really good coverage. You can see the difference. It instantly mattified the under eye area and it's very visible. And then I'm going to pick this contouring brush from PAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this Sugar Cosmetics trio. I'm going to pick the contouring shade and I'm going to carve out my cheeks. I'm slightly going a little higher than usual just to get that uplifted chisel look, and I loved how that turned out. And I'm going to basically contour my cheeks, my nose. I always do my forehead because I have a really broad forehead, and then I'm going to slightly do my jawline as well. This is one of my favorite drugstore contour powders. It's absolutely amazing. In fact, all the three shades, the blush, the highlighter in this trio is absolutely amazing. It's so pocket friendly. It's a great product to invest in, and they are really pigmented as well. Next, I'm going to dig into my favorite blush palette, which is from NYX Cosmetics. I'm going to pick these two shades and just mix them together and generously put on the blush. I love putting blush on my cheeks. Next, I'm going to dig into my chocolate palette from Makeup Revolution and Rose Gold chocolate palette, and I'm going to do a very simple 3 eyeshadow eye makeup look here. I've digged into this very it's a cold tone ashy brown kind of a shade, and I'm going to define my crease area with this one. And I've taken a fluffy blending eye brush here, and then I'm going to dig into this cherry brown kind of a shade, and this I'll put all over the lid, into the crease, blend it well with the same brush. I'm not changing the brush here. Next, I'm going to dig into this shimmery olive greeny shade, and I'm going to apply this with my ring finger because I feel that with the warmth of the finger, the glitter really uh, transfers really well and it shows up really well. So I'm just going to do that, and if required, I'll just blend it with the brush that I was using earlier. And then for the lower lash line, I'm going to just mimic the crease shades that I used. First, I'll go in with the ashy brown shade and then the cherry brown shade, and that's all I'm going to do for the lower lash line. I'm not going in with any kajal or eyeliner. I'm keeping it pretty simple. I'm just going to curl my lashes, and then with this Benefit Cosmetics mascara, I'm just gonna just give my eyelashes a little boost. This I was using for the first time in this video. um I liked it for the first time, but I have to use it a little more before I give you guys my feedback on it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna apply on the upper lash line, lower lash line. Do not forget your lower eyelashes, guys. It really makes a lot of difference. And then I'm going to just take a very pale goldeny eyeshadow from the palette. The same palette I'm going to apply on the inner corners as well. Now for my eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetics eyebrow pencil. I'm so sorry, I forgot the name of it. It's an amazing product. I think I'm in shade 3. It's the closest to my eyebrows. I'm just slightly filling in because I have really, really thick eyebrows, so I'm not going to overdo them. And then I'm going to use this Disguise Cosmetics um, liquid lipsticks liquid lipstick that is in the shade Relaxed Mocha, which is a beautiful brownie shade with maroon undertones or something, if I'm correct. But I just absolutely love this shade. I've worn this a lot. I took this for my honeymoon as well. And yeah, lastly, I'm just going to dig into my favorite highlighter, which is the Mary Luminizer from the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm going to just highlight my face with it. I love doing it, and it's a beautiful universal highlighter. I feel it works for all skin tones, and it's just very beautiful. So yeah, this is the final look, and I think it's very wearable. If you are a newlywed like me, I think this look will go with a lot of outfits, with a lot of colors, and it's pretty simple to achieve, especially the eye look. It's just 3 eyeshadows, guys. I think that's pretty simple and doable. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I did makeup after 3 months, so I was out of practice. So if anything went wrong, please do forgive me. I will see you very soon. Till then, bye. Take care. I love you so much. Mwah.